Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on wooden wall clock. When it comes to adding a touch of warmth and natural beauty to your living space, a wooden wall clock can be the perfect addition. Not only do they serve the practical purpose of telling time, but they also offer a unique and charming aesthetic that can enhance the overall ambience of any room. If you are a fan of do-it-yourself projects, creating your own wooden wall clock can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are some inspiring ideas to get you started. Number 1. Rustic pallet clock. Repurpose an old wooden pallet by dismantling it and using the individual slats to create a rustic clock face. You can stain or paint the slats to match your decor and attach the loud metal or wooden numbers for a bold and industrial look. Number 2. Geometric design. Embrace modern minimalism by creating a wooden wall clock with a geometric design. Cut wooden pieces into triangles, squares, and hexagons and assemble them in an eye-catching pattern. Paint each shape in a different color to add a playful touch. Number 3. Wood slice clock. If you prefer a more organic and natural look, consider using wood slices as your clock face. Choose uniform slices of varying sizes and arrange them in a circular shape. Add clock hands and numbers to complete the design. Number 4. Wooden veneer marquetry. Create an intricate and elegant clock by incorporating wood and veneer marquetry. Cut thin pieces of different colored wood veneer into shapes like flowers, leaves, or geometric patterns. Arrange them on a wooden clock face and seal it with clear varnish for a stunning effect. Number 5. Personalized photo clock. Make a sentiment statement by transforming a wooden clock into a personalized photo collage. Print and cut your favorite pictures and arrange them around the clock face. Attach them securely and cover with a clear cord to protect the images. Number 6. Driftwood clock. Collect pieces of driftwood and arrange them in a circular shape to create a coastal-inspired wall clock. Use a combination of thicker pieces for the clock face and thinner pieces for the hour markers. Finish with simple clock hands. Number 7. Wood burning design. If you have a knack for wood burning, use this technique to add intricate designs to your wooden clock. Create patterns, quotes, or nature-inspired motifs by burning them onto the clock face. Seal the wood with a clear varnish to preserve the artwork. Remember, these ideas are just the beginning. Feel free to get creative and adapt them to your personal style and preferences. DIY wooden wall clock offers endless possibilities for customization and can become beautiful focal points in your home. Enjoy the process of crafting your own unique timepieces that reflects your personality and adds a touch of natural elegance to your living space. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.